In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables in WooCommerce product descriptions. This is really useful if you want to display product specifications, size charts, or comparison data in a clear, structured way right inside your product description. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so you can follow along on your own WordPress site. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Products. Hover your mouse over it and a few options will appear. Click on All Products. This will open a list of every product in your WooCommerce store. From here, choose the product where you want to add a table by clicking its title to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, scroll down until you find the main product description field. This is usually the large text box where you write your longer product description. At the top right corner of this editor, you'll see two tabs. One is usually labeled Visual, and the other might be labeled Text or Code, depending on your setup. Click on the Code tab to switch from the Visual editor to the HTML editor. Now you're looking at the raw HTML of your product description. This is where you're going to paste the table code. You can use the same HTML table code shown in this tutorial. Feel free to pause the video and copy that code from the description box or from the link provided with this guide. Once the table is in place, you may want to customize it. To add a new column to your table, add a new TH element inside the thread row. That controls the table headers. Then for each row in the T-body section, add a matching TD element so that every row has a cell for that new column. To add a new row, copy an entire TR block inside the T-body and paste it below. Then just edit the TD values to match your new data. When you're happy with your changes in the HTML view, click back on the Visual tab at the top right of the editor. You should now see your table rendered nicely inside the product description, just like it will appear on the product page. Finally, when everything looks good, go to the Publish box on the top right side of the screen and click the Update button. That will save your changes and push the updated product description complete with your new table live on your store.